Hey everybody, Dr. Rodman with Sports Chiropractic. If you have pain in the jaw, the head here, or the back of the head, this is a great video for you. I just want to talk about a muscle that's very overlooked and undertreated in today's world, and it's this muscle right here called the SCM or sternocleidomastoid. Basically, if you see someone whose head is in front of their body, usually this muscle is very tight. And how often do we massage this area or stretch it? And most people don't even know they have a muscle there. So let me take you over here to the anatomy and you can see why it's so important. So if you take a look, here's the sternocleidomastoid, the SCM, and it inserts right into this bone called the mastoid process. And you can see just next to it, the neighbor is the facial nerve, which has a branch that goes into the back of the head, into the temple area, into the face. So if you're having kind of pain in these areas, there's a really good chance it's actually coming from that muscle compressing the facial nerve. So some things you can do at home to help yourself are just very simple things. You want to, first of all, just kind of do what I call skin rolling, where you can actually take the skin over this area, find this is the mastoid, find that muscle, and just kind of pull on it. And you can do this in the privacy of your own home, in your bed. Just kind of grab it, and you're just trying to basically lift the skin off the muscle. Sometimes the skin, which should glide over the muscle, gets kind of matted down and stuck and can cause a lot of congestion and entrap that nerve in that area. So number one, skin rolling. Number two, you can just actually strip the muscle. So you're kind of going the way the fibers go and just go straight down. So imagine you're just kind of pulling and pushing straight down on that to lengthen it. So sometimes if it gets really too thick here, it can compress that nerve. So just doing some stripping like that is helpful. And the last thing you can do is just make little circles on there. So just find that bone, go a little bit down, and just hold a little pressure and make circles. In this area, you do want to be a little careful because underneath here, we do have a very important thing called the carotid artery. So if you start to get dizzy, lightheaded, you're pushing way too hard. If you're having pain in these areas at Sports Chiropractic, we work on this muscle very often. We're very effective at treating it and would love to help you out. But if you want to try something at home, try those 3 tips there. And I hope you learned a lot about the SCM today.